Hey everybody, I'm just out here letting the train run around and kind of doing some little stuff. We got rained out today. Woke up this morning, it was raining. They said it was going to rain, but I don't get it. We could work in the rain, but I don't want to. The guys will make up the hours probably Saturday. Mainly just cleaning track. That's what I've mainly been doing. I think the last time I cleaned it was when I made the video on how I cleaned my track, and it's getting where it's getting a little bit of dust on it. The layout's still pretty dusty. I've dusted some. I got to dust this area. It's pretty bad. Yard's a mess. That's kind of a catch-all when I walk through. Kind of a pain to walk around sometimes. That's what I've been doing. Just kind of running trains and done some switching earlier. It all took place over here at the gravel place over here where they bring gravel and a lighter. Two different types of gravel in, I guess. A fine and a coarse. The coarse gets unloaded right here underground. I'm gonna have a conveyor deal come up here to this pile where it shows that these get underground, and then these get emptied into the ground and conveyored up into the holding tower over there. I put in a small chemical company right here. This track here will service it. Ooh, and then this track here won't get used. Think about just making an abandoned track, and then these two tracks here will service that area. That's what I've been doing, messing around, changing some of the scenery around. Got me some trees in here, this little area right here. Planning on putting a small fence along the back of that and putting a gate out here somewhere, a little drive-through gate. It was a little area I hadn't really been using, and I thought I'd put a better industry there. And not a whole lot's changed. I ain't messed with the HO today. I need to go to Lowe's and get me a 4x8 sheet of foam board, and I need some paint, some odd and end deals before I get started on it. I need some brackets. Here's my hay bales. That's a pretty cool view standing here. I don't know what it looks like. Yeah, I do. Yeah. I like that looking across. That's an old shirt I've been saving. It's crazy to have it hanging in here. It's about a ratty shirt that I've had it for a long time. It was pretty bright orange when I got it. It looks like still on camera looks pretty bright, but it's kind of dulled out a lot. Cameron's cotton candy factory is still pretty much the same. Nothing's changed, it's just some switching. I need to get something done on it though. I'll be glad when we get more time and I'm able to do things. I just wanted to share that and show you what I was doing today. Fixing to do some more cleaning on the layout. One more shot. I don't know if I can get a shot of it or not. It's coming across the bridge. Well, my battery's dying, so hope y'all enjoyed it. This is what I'm doing and cleaning. Thanks for watching. Later.